Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set environment variable in Windows 11 operating system using Java as an example, so you can follow the same steps to set variables for any software. So now without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. First, just simply open your File Explorer and navigate to the C file, then Program Files, and then just search for Java, then open the Java folder. Now for me, the Java version is 24. It will be different for you. So what if you do is just go inside that, then just go inside the bin. Now this folder contains the executable files. So just simply copy the path of the bin file folder. So just simply click over here and copy this entire path. Once you do that, the next thing that you have to do is you have to open the environment variable window. So go to your Start menu and just simply search Edit Environment. Then just simply open Edit the System Environment Variable. Now a small window will pop up in front of you, and then all you have to do is just simply click on Environmental Variables, and that will open the Environmental Variable window. There is also another way. All you have to do is right-click on this PC, go to Properties, and click on Advanced System Settings. Then this small window will pop up again. Over here, click on Environmental Variables, and that will bring you to the same place. Now in the environmental variable window under system variable, just let me scroll down and find the path variable. It should be right over here. Now just click on this and highlight it. After that, click on edit. Now in the edit environmental variable window, just simply click on new and paste the path that you copied from the Java folder and make sure that it is the bin folder, as you can see right over here. Then just click on OK, and that will save the changes. Next, let's set the Java home variable under user variable. What you will do is click on new. Now over here in the variable name, just simply enter Java home and make sure it should be in all caps. As you can see, just simply copy the exact same way. Now after that, for the variable value over here, go to the program file where you have the Java folder, and this time just simply go back to the JDK folder. As you can see right over here, you don't need to go to the bin folder, just the main Java folder. Copy this path, then paste it in the variable value, and make sure that the path that you just pasted over here should not include the bin folder, which you can see right over here. Once everything is done, just simply click on OK, and that should do it. So now the next thing that you have to do is you have to verify your environmental variable are set correctly or not. So what you do is open command prompt. So search CMD and open the command prompt. Now in the command prompt, just simply type Java space -version and then simply hit enter, and that should give you the Java version, which you can see right over here. Then just simply type Java C space -version to verify the Java compiler version. So again, click on enter. And over here, you can see your installed version details confirming that the environment is set up properly. That's it. You have successfully set up the Java environment variable on Windows 11. You can now compile and run Java programs directly from your command line. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.